To start using the user portal, the first step is to enable it on the extension assigned to the end user. This configuration is done by going to HaPBX, then Extensions. Select Extension and open the Advanced tab. At the bottom of the Advanced tab, you will find the User Portal section. First, set Enable Portal to Yes, then define a portal username and password for the end user. Optionally, you may upload a user image to help visually identify the user. The image must be square and in either PNG or JPEG format. Once all the information is entered, click Save or Update and apply the changes. When the user portal is enabled and a portal user and password are created, the user will also appear in the Users module under Admin, then Admin, and finally Users. This user will be assigned the portal user profile. Additional features or adjustments can be made by editing the user profile and modifying its settings if needed. At this point, we can log out as the administrator and log back in using the portal user credentials we just created. After logging in with the portal username and password, the user is automatically directed to the My Extension module. This module is located under Portal, then Configure, and My Extension. The My Extension module allows portal users to perform multiple actions on their assigned extension. The first section is the General tab, where several configuration options are available. Email address defines the email associated with the extension for receiving system notifications. Voicemail password is the password used to access the voicemail box using the *97 feature code. Language specifies the language used for the various voice prompts in HaPBX. Time zone determines the time zone used for voicemails, and CDR call history for this portal user. Ring time sets how long the extension will ring before going to voicemail or hanging up. Enable voicemail allows voicemail to be enabled or disabled for this extension. Attach voicemail determines whether voicemail recordings are attached to voicemail to email messages. Delete voicemail automatically removes the recording file after it has been sent via voicemail to email feature. Play envelope enables or disables the playback of voicemail information at the beginning of the recording. Say caller ID determines whether caller ID information is announced in the voicemail recording. After making any changes, click the green Update button located in the lower right corner. Next is the Dictation tab, which provides a graphical interface to manage dictations recorded by the user. For this feature to work, dictation must be enabled on the user's extension. Whenever the user records a dictation using feature code *93, it will appear in this tab for playback from the Dictation tab. The dictation list displays the dictation number, recording date, and dictation name. From the Actions column, users can rename, play, or delete dictation recordings. Remember, dictations act as voice notes that can be accessed anytime through the portal. Next, the Features tab shows a list of feature codes available to the portal user. This works as a quick reference guide to understand what each feature code does. The Follow Me tab allows the user to configure call, follow me behavior. The settings include the following options. Initial ring time defines how long the extension rings before calls are sent to the Follow Me list. Ring time defines how long each number in the Follow Me list will ring. Ring strategy defines whether the numbers are called simultaneously or one by one. The Follow Me list contains the numbers to be called if the extension is not answered within the initial ring time. Users can enable Follow Me at any time using the *67 feature code. Finally, the Phone Diversions tab allows portal users to manage their call diversion settings. As with the Extension Status module, end users can use this section to control their diversion settings by enabling or disabling features such as Boss Secretary, Follow Me, Do Not Disturb, Call Completion, and multiple call forwards. Portal users can create their own time groups. Under Portal, configure My Time Groups. These time groups are created in the same way as those configured by the super administrator. Time groups can be linked to diversions to automate when they are activated. When using the Boss Secretary feature, users can define a whitelist within the Phone Diversions tab. Numbers in the whitelist bypass the Boss Secretary and ring the extension directly. You can add as many numbers as you need by clicking the green Add button. Lastly, the personal assistant settings are also available here and will be covered in more detail in the next lesson. Another important module in the user portal is My Voicemail, found under Portal, Configure, My Voicemail. This module provides a visual interface for managing the user's voicemail box. Users can view detailed voicemail information, listen to messages, and delete multiple voicemails at once. Finally, Portal users can access their call history under Portal, Configure, CDR. Here, users can review their complete call history and listen to their call recordings.